The ProTeam leather repair kit. Now this kit will provide you with all materials needed to do a proper leather small repair or a recoloring. The mixing colors are there. We mix on either RAL code or manufacturer code from the car, so you can get the color always 100% right, because you can tint it with this system. Pre-mixed is always a chance of a small or big color difference, so you need all the colors there to do proper mixing. Now this is the grain maker, which is in the kit as well, so you can copy the grain of the leather, the sanding pad, the mixing spouts for the grain maker, mixing cups, spatula set, scale, the equalizer, glue and filler, all in the same case as the paint repair systems, so that would look nice to have two of the same cases on the shelf in your shop.